welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we dive into the best tech, gadgets and e-mobility gear. And today, I've got something super exciting for you. We are reviewing the PVY Z20 Pro Evo, a stylish and rugged electric bike that promises a powerful ride, premium features and an incredibly smooth city commute. So, if you are on the hunt for a commuter-friendly e-bike that also has enough juice for weekend rides and daily errands, keep watching, because this one might just be your next set of wheels. Let's kick things off with what powers this beast. The Z20 Pro Evo comes equipped with a 250 watt geared hub motor. But here is the cool part. It's unlockable to 500 watt. That means if you want that extra push or plan to ride in areas where higher wattage is allowed, you have got the flexibility. With 50 Newton meters of torque, this thing has fantastic low end power. Heels, handled. Acceleration, quick and punchy, especially in higher assist levels. And yes, it can climb up to 20-degree inclines without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Z20 Pro Evo is powered by a 36-volt, 14.5 Ah lithium battery, giving you a maximum range of up to 120 kilometers depending on how you ride and which assist level you use. It's removable and lightweight, so you can pop it out and charge it indoors, which is super convenient if you don't have access to a garage or outdoor power source. What really sets this bike apart is how intelligent the ride feels. Thanks to its advanced torque sensor, the Z20 Pro Evo doesn't just give you a blast of power. It gives you proportional assistance based on how hard you are pedaling. This creates a smooth, natural riding experience. No jolts, no lag. You pedal a little, it helps a little. You pedal harder, it gives you more. Simple, smart and super intuitive. Let's take a closer look at the build. The frame is made from upgraded 6061 aluminum alloy. Super durable, lightweight and treated with a multi-stage heat process for added strength. It can handle riders up to 150 kilograms, which is awesome if you are carrying a backpack or groceries. You also get a rear cargo rack rated for 25 kilograms and full coverage mudguards included right out of the box. No extra accessories needed. Everything is ready to roll. Suspension is handled by a shock absorption fork up front, which softens the ride across the city bumps, curbs and uneven pavement. The 20-inch pneumatic rubber tires give you a comfy, grippy ride. They absorb shock and keep you stable, even on slightly rough terrain like gravel or old cobblestone streets. And when it comes to safety, braking is covered by mechanical disc brakes on both wheels. They are sharp, responsive and give you solid stopping power in all conditions, dry or wet. You also get aluminum alloy brake levers that feel durable and comfortable in hand. The drivetrain is smooth and reliable, featuring a micro-new 7-speed gears and aluminum derailleur. Shifting is clean and efficient, whether you are pedaling up hills, cruising on flats, or needing to downshift at traffic lights. The 48T Pro wheel crankset is built from strong but lightweight aluminum for power, efficiency and durability. Now, here is something I really appreciated. The Z20 Pro Evo comes with an extra twist and go throttle handlebar. That means you can ride in pure electric mode. No pedaling required. Just twist your wrist and go. Perfect for commuting, getting around without breaking a sweat, or giving your legs a break on long trips. And the 0 to 5 pedal assist levels lets you fine-tune how much effort you want to put in at any time. Let's talk about night rides and visibility. You get an IPX5 waterproof 1200 lumen LED headlight. Super bright and perfect for after dark riding. But that's not all. The integrated rear tail light automatically lights up when you brake, enhancing your visibility and safety. Plus, and this is rare at this price point, the bike comes with integrated turn indicators. Just press a button on the handlebar and your rear light will signal your direction left or right. Need to warn pedestrians or cars? There is also a built-in electric horn. Loud and clear, much better than a regular bell. Comfort? They nailed it. The ergonomic saddle is shaped to match your body, offering a plush but sportive feel. And both the handlebar stem and seat post are fully adjustable, so you can customize the fit for your height and riding style. Whether you are tall, short, or somewhere in between, you will find your comfort zone here. Quick rundown of specs. Motor 250 watt, unlockable to 500 watt. Torque 50 Newton meter. Battery 36 volt, 14.5 ampere hour, up to 120 km range. Throttle mode, twist and go, plus pedal assist. Suspension, front shock fork. Brakes, mechanical disc brakes. Gears, micro new 7-speed. Lights, front LED, brake activated tail light. Extras, turn signals, electric horn, rack, mud guards, removable battery. So, is the PVY Z20 Pro Evo worth it? Absolutely! If you are looking for an affordable, future-rich, powerful e-bike for commuting, city riding, or just exploring, this one packs a serious punch. With real-world range, smart pedal assist, full suspension, a pure electric mode, built-in safety lights, and even turn signals and a horn, it's honestly hard to beat at this price. If you have got questions, drop them down in the comments, and I will do my best to answer everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bells so you never miss a ride review or gear breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next one.